Why connect Duolingo with Notion?
Linking Duolingo with Notion lets you capture new vocab and grammar notes as you learn. Instead of forgetting useful words or insights, you can review and organize them all in one place. This approach streamlines language learning and makes your progress easier to track and manage.
Exporting vocabulary from Duolingo.
Duolingo doesn't offer a direct export feature, but you can still get your vocabulary out. Open your Duolingo lessons and manually copy important words or phrases as you encounter them. Alternatively, use screenshots or note down key terms in a document for faster transfer to Notion later.
Setting up your Notion database.
In Notion, create a new database or table to store your language notes. Add columns like word, translation, example sentence, and grammar points. This structured approach keeps your notes searchable and organized, making it simpler to find and review what you need as your collection grows.
Adding and organizing notes efficiently.
Paste words, phrases, or grammar tips from Duolingo into your Notion database. Group items by category, like verbs or travel phrases, using tags or filters. This helps you study effectively, spot patterns, and focus on areas that need more practice. Consistent updates maintain your learning momentum.
Reviewing and practicing in Notion.
Use Notion's features like toggles for quiz-style questions or spaced repetition templates to actively recall what you've learned. Regularly review your notes, update with new insights from Duolingo, and track your growing vocabulary. This method makes learning interactive and keeps your knowledge fresh.